So today we're going to learn how to password protect our sheets in both Google Sheets and Excel. And this could be a good thing to use when maybe you have something like this, an Excel sheet shared with a coworker or a friend or someone. And see down here, there's some tabs. Maybe you only want them to view um, a certain tab, right? So let's say you'd want them to view these two tabs of stock data, SPX and Tesla. Well, what you could do is um, password protect this tab. So if you don't want them to see this tab, or if you have any other tabs you don't want them to see or view, edit, you can password protect it. So to do that, you simply just right click on the tab, click protect sheet. You can then type in your password. So just, a little password and then press OK. And then you can have to re-enter the password you just made. So just put that in, press OK. And now to anyone who this is not shared with, to view this, they would have to click on it and it would be prompted to type in a password. So that is basically how you do it in Excel. And the benefit from this is, instead of having to make 2, 3 actual sheets of, SPX for one whole entire Excel and Tesla for another, you could have them on tabs, just have it password protected so they can only view what you want them to. So that's the advantage of doing this. All right, now let's go to Google Sheets. Okay, so once again, it's a very similar example. Um, so once again, you have your stock data, your tabs, right? And let's say you only wanted to view these two now, SPX and Roblox. You could just right click on Tesla, the tab you want to protect, click protect sheet. You could enter a description for this, so just if you want, doesn't matter. And then you want to select your sheet. So Tesla, Roblox, SPX, I want to protect Tesla. And then they have, you could protect just ranges if you like. You could protect the sheet except for certain cells, which is cool. So yeah, I'm just going to protect the whole sheet and then you click set permissions. And so now you can make it to where you could show a warning when they're editing this range, which really defeats the purpose for me. You could restrict it to who can edit this range, which is what I want. And it could be only for me. So if I have this whole sheet shared with someone else and I only want myself to view this one tab, this would be great for you. Or you can make it custom and you could enter in other people's emails. So you and other people you add to this tab can edit this sheet. Otherwise, no one else can. So I'll just use only for me and then you click done. And now, as you can see, and it shows over here, protected sheets and range, it shows what's protected and what isn't. And as you can see, there's a lock on it, which that doesn't apply to you, of course, because you can still view it. But for other people, they would not be able to get into this unless it's shared with them. And once again, the benefit is you don't have to create multiple sheets and have to share with each person. And, it's just a big hassle. It's a lot of time. Whereas you could put it all in one sheet and then protect it, share it to each person. It makes things a lot quicker. All right, that's it.